Hi guys, I just wanted to show you this sliding table sort of in action. You can get a good view of it. And again, it's got the two layers of drawer slides to handle the motion back in front of the blade and the motion beyond the blade. And you'll see what I'm talking about right now. So from this position here, it will slide back. Let me get better. It'll slide back, and if I keep it all the way out, you'll see how it's on those drawer slides. So the 28-inch full extension heavy-duty drawer slides. And then so once you'd have a panel on there and you would make a cut, you'd be coming forward, the panel would be being cut, and then the bottom level, so the same kind of drawer slides, but they extend in the opposite direction, so they take care of the travel beyond the blade. Ignore my tiny shop. So we bring it back, and we're back in position again. Okay, thanks. Any questions, give me a holler. If you want to see something in particular, maybe from underneath, that I didn't have already in the still shots that I took, by all means, just give me a holler. Thanks for checking this out. Bye.